Welcome, nature explorers. Prepare to test your wilderness wisdom. Only true animal aficionados will ace this one.
Which creature boasts the longest lifespan among mammals? Identify the plant that famously consumes insects. Halfway there, Nature Ninja. Keep that brilliant mind sharp. What is a group of owls collectively called? Which unique marsupial native to Australia possesses a cube-shaped scat? What process involves plants converting light into energy? Incredible effort, Quiz Whiz. How many did you conquer? Comment your score below and follow for daily nature challenges.